Yohji Yamamoto, fashion designer. Yohji Yamamoto's career and how he came up with groundbreaking and unique fashion products in the fashion industry. Yohji Yamamoto is a Japanese fashion designer whose career has spanned over 4 decades. Throughout his career, he has been known for his unique and avant-garde designs that challenge traditional notions of beauty and fashion. His work has been hailed as groundbreaking and influential, and has had a significant impact on the fashion industry as a whole. Yamamoto was born in Tokyo in 1943, and grew up in a post-war Japan that was still recovering from the devastation of World War II. Despite facing many hardships, he was drawn to the world of fashion from a young age, and began studying fashion design in Tokyo in the late 1960s. After completing his studies, he moved to Paris in 1971 to further his career. In Paris, Yamamoto quickly made a name for himself with his unconventional and experimental designs. He was known for his use of black, asymmetrical silhouettes, and unconventional fabrics, such as wool jersey and neoprene. His designs were often described as both elegant and edgy, and were favored by celebrities such as David Bowie and Patti Smith. Throughout the 1980s and 1990s, Yamamoto continued to push the boundaries of fashion with his designs. He experimented with new materials, such as denim and leather, and began incorporating elements of Japanese culture into his work. He also collaborated with other designers and artists, including Adidas and photographer Nick Knight, to create innovative and unexpected collections. One of Yamamoto's most famous contributions to fashion is his use of the deconstructed look. This style, which involves intentionally fraying and tearing fabrics to create a raw and unfinished look, was a departure from the polished and pristine styles that had dominated fashion in the past. Yamamoto's deconstructed designs were both artistic and rebellious, and inspired a new generation of designers to experiment with unconventional materials and techniques. In addition to his contributions to fashion, Yamamoto has also been recognized for his humanitarian work. He has been a vocal advocate for social justice and has used his platform to raise awareness about issues such as poverty and discrimination. He has also collaborated with organizations such as UNICEF and the Red Cross to support humanitarian efforts around the world. Today, Yamamoto's influence can be seen in the work of countless designers and fashion houses. His designs continue to inspire and challenge, and his legacy as a trailblazer in the fashion industry is firmly established. Despite his many accomplishments, Yamamoto remains humble and dedicated to his craft, always striving to create new and innovative designs that push the boundaries of what is possible in fashion. In recent years, Yamamoto has continued to innovate and experiment with his designs. He has embraced new technologies, such as 3D printing and digital printing, to create truly unique and cutting-edge pieces. He has also expanded his brand beyond fashion, collaborating with companies such as Hermès and Mikimoto to create jewelry and accessories. One of Yamamoto's most recent and notable collaborations was with the luxury fashion brand, Supreme. The collaboration, which was released in 2020, featured a range of apparel and accessories that blended Yamamoto's avant-garde style with Supreme's streetwear aesthetic. The collection was highly anticipated and quickly sold out, further cementing Yamamoto's status as a fashion icon. Despite his success and influence, Yamamoto remains true to his vision and values. He is known for his quiet and introspective nature, and has spoken about the importance of staying true to oneself in the face of societal pressure and expectations. He has also emphasized the importance of sustainability and ethical production practices in the fashion industry,